So many completed, finished, prepaid for projects sitting in our shop this morning. So I decided to just go on a delivery run, pack up everything in the van, and take everything to clients that I possibly could. Clear out the shop. I'd say another form of advertising for us is the Mr. Postman van. I have a Ford Transit 250 with the mid-roof, and you can see I have the shelving built out sort of like a UPS truck would be. It kind of has slanted shelving in the back, which is absolutely critical when you're doing EDDM campaigns that you have to kind of deliver to the post offices. Prime example. Wow, the sky looks beautiful, by the way. I was on the campus of our local community college, and a guy stopped me and said, "Hey, where are you guys located?" And I told him, and he's like, "I'm gonna come see you." So the van works. Getting that perf ready for the back window of the van. All right, time to take this old branding down. We'll see how hard this ends up being. All right, it's a little chilly out this morning and it's kind of ripping up in shreds, so I'll get my crappy heat gun here. I've been switching all my tools to Milwaukee, but I've got a few remnant tools that I'm still switching over. Let's see how this goes. All right, heat gun, absolutely critical. Most people don't actually laminate the perf that goes on vehicles, but I love to laminate. But of course, with the curvature of this window, you're inevitably are gonna get some. But we have this tool, looks like a pen, that we use to purge air. So right here, for instance, let me do that. And disappeared, with the exception of where I had to do a little pokey poke. All right, got the back perf on and trimmed. Just gotta replace this stuff. So look at this disaster. My new van graphics. I was gonna put it up on the takeoff roll, and I had a customer come in for an install, and we got the trailer install done. But this is gonna be fun, and hopefully I don't have too many cat ears in this thing. Easter Sunday here at the house, got the back of the van done. Now I gotta work on this side. Had to come in and get a refreshment, but the van looks so sad right now. Definitely gonna get rid of the decals down below. Those were so big and ridiculous and stupid looking. I don't know what I was thinking. You can see where we did this last time. We didn't quite know about knifeless tape at the time, so we just trimmed it with a knife. Definitely got into the paint a bit, but now we're using that 3M knifeless tape. Not enough extra material to work with to install this properly. It would go from here all the way down here, then we'd be able to heat it in order to bring this in, but we just don't have that luxury. So I'm gonna have to just kind of peel this off and try to kind of work it in, which is not ideal. All right, so Sally did a really good job of getting the goo off on the old decals there. We did have to end up paneling this project, but I don't think it looks that bad for it to be paneled. Saved a lot of material, considering I had to reprint the entire thing because I got distracted with that roll, putting it on the take-up reel situation. So, lesson learned there. I was originally going with like a post office look with this whole thing, but now I really wanted something vibrant and exciting to look at. So I'm very excited about the way this new situation's looking. All of our sponsor signage that we're doing, I'm kind of completely revamping everything. So we'll see how it goes. Not having a lot of overlap right here made it impossible to use the knifeless tape, so we still had to cut and use the knife like we did last time. So over here on this side, we just didn't even bother using the knifeless tape. We just put it up, trimmed it up a little bit. I didn't notice until I was editing this video last night, but we forgot to put print shop on the van. So check this out. Sally's giving a lesson to one of our new high school students who's planning to be a graphic designer on how to install graphics. Thank you guys for tuning in to this one. I'll see you very soon. Take care.